Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to build my baby dog. Welcome back to another Monday of this excellent Monday. I want to thank you all, everybody. Real quick, hit that like button down below. At least let me know you like me. May not be the video, but hey, anyway, I'm going to show you how I build my baby dog. Right now, you can do it in different colors. You can get different colors of these plates, get two of them, stick them together. Just like that. Then you want to get I'm going to call this 2x3 plate. And we'll put it just like so, right there. See what we're doing? This is basically the body. Then you want to get a jumper. And put just like that right there. You can use any color. I like a colorful dog, so that's what I'm doing. I pick different colors. You can make it all one color, but hey, it's your build, your what. Then I'm going to take this knot brick, these little knot bricks right here. I'm going to put one right here, and get this other one, put it right there, just like that. Then I'm going to grab this double knotted brick. I'm going to put it on the nose like that. I'm going to put it on just like this right here. Just like that. Then I'm going to give me another snot brick or a jumper. Put him right here. Just like so. I'm gonna get these little slopes. You can use different colors. Put one right here. One right here. You got the ears. Of course, we got to put the eyeball on. You got two eyeballs here, just like so. Oh, knock the head off. That's okay. It's Lego. We can put it back together. Just like that. Now we got the eyes. Ooh. I got me a little stud here. They can put there on the nose. See, it's coming to formation. A little dog. And of course, you can grab just two studded plate for the tail. Then I got these cone pieces that I'm going to use for the feet. You're going to put 4 of them like so, like this. Oh, just like this, and there we go. We got the baby dog. This is my baby dog. Just my baby dog. Huh. But yep, there's your little ruff, Scooby-Doo, Pluto, Buster. Barf, 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 barf. Anyway, enough to make me noise. But yeah, that's just how I make a little puppy dog. Hope you enjoyed today's video, how to build. Let me know in the comments if you like this content. If not, I'll find I can come up. I got a bunch of other ideas, but let me know in the comments. Let me know if you like this Monday morning how to build little bitty builds out of classic bricks. They kind of get your imagination juices going. These little bitty builds. Let me know in the comments down below. Hit that like button. Let me know what you think. And yeah, subscribe to Click and Cliff. I want to thank everybody for supporting me as always. And yeah, I'm going to leave it to you. Have a wonderful day. And remember, y'all, clicking ain't easy, but it's fun. I want to take my dog for a walk down the lane.